Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to change your Gboard language on Android TV. It's super easy. Let's get started. Open System Settings on your TV. Scroll down and go to System. Go to Keyboard. Go to Gboard Settings. Click on Languages. Turn off Use System Languages. Scroll down and find the language you need. Select Language and turn on. Go to Home Screen and open your keyboard. Click the Language Change button on your keyboard. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.